Hello guys! Today I would like to unbox my brand new Philips Avent steamer and blender, which we bought it from First Cry for my 5 months old baby sister. I'm so excited! Let's open up! Inside the box, we have a recipe booklet where we can find out how to cook varieties of nutritious baby foods. Appliance guidebook, spatula. Here we have steamer and blender jar. To open the lid, slide this way. Simple. Measuring cup, blender blade, and lid with steamer. Let's fix the jar. Finally, we have the motor. To start using it, we put the jar like this. For steaming, turn the knob in steaming mode. For blending, flip the jar and turn the knob in blending mode. At the back side of the motor, it has a water tank to fill water for steaming purpose. Now my steamer blender is ready to use. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye!